Struggling to access your BigPond emails on your mobile device? You're not alone, but the solution is simpler than you think. First, gather your login details, your BigPond email address, and the correct password. Next, decide between IMAP and POP3. IMAP keeps your inbox synchronized across all devices, while POP3 downloads emails to one device. For a seamless experience, IMAP is recommended. Let's configure it. Input the incoming mail server settings, imap.telstra.com, port 993 with SSL security. Now, set up the outgoing mail server, smtp.telstra.com, port 465, also with SSL security. Ensure authentication by using the same username and password as your incoming server. Add your BigPond account to your mobile device. On iPhone, go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, Add Account. For Android, open your email app, select Add Account, and enter your BigPond email and password. Finally, send a test email to confirm everything is working perfectly. Enjoy seamless email access on your mobile device.